Toyota just transformed its electric SUV game with the 2026 Toyota BZ. Simpler name, serious upgrades. Range jumps to an impressive 314 miles. That's 25% better than before. Power? The all-wheel drive versions now pump out 338 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. Charging gets smarter too. The new NACS port connects you to Tesla's Supercharger network, while battery preconditioning ensures faster charging in cold weather. The refreshed exterior features a sleek hammerhead front end with slim LEDs, and those plastic wheel arches can now be color-matched for a premium look. Inside, find a redesigned dashboard with a massive 14-inch touchscreen and customizable ambient lighting. Available in XLE and Limited grades with front or all-wheel drive, the 2026 BZ arrives later this year. Toyota is finally taking EVs seriously, and competitors should be nervous. The new BZ isn't just competitive, it's compelling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.